Okay, good afternoon. This video is to aid you understand how to measure a contactor and to supply and work with contactors. Okay, before I start with the testing, I'll be using the Mega MIT 310 series of Mega insulation tester to carry out various tests here since I don't have a normal multimeter. Okay, so what I'll do is I will put it on continuity. It is off, as you can see, off. Okay, I'll put it on continuity. Okay, you notice you see a symbol of a switch here, which indicates it's open now. So now if I short, it closes to ensure continuity. Okay, next step now, this is my contactor. As a contactor, what you do is you turn around to check to see exactly what is written. This is a 230 to 240 volts 50 hertz contactor, or 240 volt to 60 volt 60 hertz contactor. Okay, which is very important for you to give supply to the coil. So as you can see, this is A1, A2. So you have to fit the coil in order to energize it. A1, A2, if you turn around, you see a E2. So what we will do now is to test all the different contacts. This is line 1, line 2, line 3, and then we have one auxiliary contact, which is normally open contact 1314, as you can see. Okay, now I'll test again my meter. Okay, I'll test between line 1 and line 1, there is no continuity. Line 1, line 2, line 2, there is no continuity. Line 3, there is no continuity. And then the normal open auxiliary contact, there is no continuity. Okay, now assume if I press mechanically, what happens? Notice. Okay, now it is closed. Test the next short. Now it's okay. Test the next. It's okay. Test the auxiliary contact. It becomes normal close. Now it's okay. Okay, next what I'll do is you notice that at the coil A1, A2, we are going to feed a 230 or 240 volts on the coil of this contactor. So we'll have a negative and a positive contacts here. So we have to test now so we don't have any continuity between these two contacts. Okay, very quick. There's no continuity. Okay, even if I press here, there is still no continuity, so it's good. Contactor is okay. Okay, the next step now, what we have to do is I'll bring in a cable which I'll use to power this contactor so we see it. Okay, in the last video I did it mechanically, but today I'm going to give power to the contactor so you see how the contactor functions. Okay, these are my two cable lead, the two cables. Okay, now what I'll do is I want to test continuity of this cable to ensure that everything is okay. So I test from here. There is continuity. Okay, I test here, there is no continuity. There's a head, there's no continuity. Okay, move to the next. There is continuity, there is no continuity here. So the cable is okay. I might also go ahead to test mega test, to do the mega test to ensure that we don't have any joint between the two conductors. That I'll do in another video. Okay, I'll put on 500 volt. I'll explain that in the next video when I'll explain how to test insulation resistant test. Okay, what will happen is I'll test between these two contacts and then I press my turns. Notice if I press from here, I'm injecting 500 volt DC. So if I touch these two contacts while I press here, it will give me a shock. So what I'll do now is I will test from here. One contact here, another one is here. Okay. Okay. Notice something. I have to test from here. There's no issue. This is open. Test from here. And then I press my, okay, since there is nobody here to assist me, so what I'll do is I'll press from here. You notice we should have a value of 1 mega ohm and above. It should be equal to or greater than 1 mega ohm. So if I put here, I press my test lead like so. So it's okay. Test between the face and the head. Like so. Test between the neutral and the head. Okay, it is good. Ready to go. Switch this off so I can start my connection. So what I'll do is I'll power my contactor. I'll go over here. This is the contactor. This was 30. So I'll twist this a little bit to take a little bit of time. Okay, we'll be like so. I'll connect from here. This is the first which I'm connecting. Okay. Okay, take the next. Okay, it's ready. Okay, again one more time. Check continuity between these two leads. I go there. It's good. Test continuity. It's okay. Okay, there is no continuity. Now I'm ready to power my contactor. Okay, now I want to power the contactor now. Okay, I bring my supply a little bit closer to where I'm doing my connections. Okay. Bring the power supply from this side. Okay, this is my power supply. Okay, I'll bring this here to see what is happening. Okay, this is a contactor. You notice. See what is happening. I will switch off from here. I put first here. Okay, see the contactor, it's on. Okay, I put on the contactor. You see, okay, notice I'm putting on and off. Put on, then I put off. On, I put off. Okay, I will disconnect from here so we see what is happening. So the next step, I want to put some indication lights which will indicate before I end the video. Okay, so use this part, just quick understanding. Okay, like so. Oh, like so again. Okay, take from this side, take from this side. Okay, now from here I will open this one from here. I might not open from there directly. Now I will just on this contact. Put this here. Okay, put it on. Off. I tied very well. Should not come out. Okay. I know the video might be so long, but this is just for you to understand how this works. That if you're doing designs, it will be very easy for you. Okay. Or is it just coming out? Okay. 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 Like this. Okay. Okay. Next be this other side. Okay. I will now connect from here. It's okay. Now I will connect to the auxiliary contact or any of the contacts, but I'll choose to use the auxiliary contact. Okay. You notice that we should have supply from here to here, so I will use another cable to power the neutral of this part. Okay. Okay, this is what I will do. Okay, this is it. I connect from here. Notice what I'm doing. I want the lamp to be off at normal condition. So when the coil energizes, the light should turn on. Okay. Okay. This is what I'm doing. Okay. Take this from here. You notice I want to test which is okay. I'll check first. Okay, which is my okay, which is my neutral, which is my phase. This is the neutral. Neutral is A2. Okay, A2 is the neutral. Okay, now what I will do is I will take this and connect to my neutral, which is A2. So they share the same neutral. Okay, like so. I will open from the side. A2 is the neutral. Okay, just connect so we can do it a little bit fast. Okay, the video is a little bit long. Okay, let us just manage and we are done. This is it. Okay, you notice what I've done now. I have my lamp which is connected. This is the face which is connected. The face is connected at the upstream, and then you notice that this is the neutral which comes here, and I need the face from this side which will connect to what is the other cable which I remove from here. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'll connect now my face to the auxiliary contact. Okay. Okay. Let me do it a little bit fast. Taking too much time to do this. Okay. I'll connect this here. This will be connected here like so. Okay. You will notice something. Okay. This is connected here. That brings power from the face and then brings it to normal open contact. So when this closes here, it allows current now to flow from here. Since the neutral is already connected, to turn on the light. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'll put the light on. Okay, that is it. Connected. Okay, let's do it a little bit fast. Okay, now I will power it. Okay, notice, you see what happens. I switch it off. Okay, see the switch. This is my light bulb. Okay, now during normal condition, it's not on. I need to power the relay coil in order for the light to turn on. So you notice, see what I do. I switch it on, turns on the light. So basically this is how we do connections for contactors. Thank you and hope to see you next time. Okay.